Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava mobile guys screen rotate problem how to solve. Friends, you have lava mobile screen rotate problem. So friends, how to fix, how to solve lava mobile screen rotate problem one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your lava mobile. Friends, click here lava mobile display setting. After on display setting friends, scroll it, and friends on your devices, on your lava mobile friends, your auto rotate setting is on, so when you will have to turn off. After turn off friends, your problem is solved, and friends you cannot rotate your screen, and screen will not rotate automatically. Friends, you can check, you can try, screen will not rotate in your lava mobile. Friends, you can on any app, friends, screen will not rotate. You can check, screen will not rotate. And friends, you want to rotate again your lava mobile screen, and friends if you on auto rotate screen setting, so friends your screen will rotate automatic. You can check, you can try. So like that friends, we can fix, we can solve in lava mobile screen rotate problem from phone setting. Open phone setting, turn off auto rotate screen, problem solved. So like that friends, you can fix lava while screen rotate problem, and friends you can fix screen rotate problem with shortcut setting also. Friends, click here search option, auto setting, auto setting, auto rotate screen, click here. Direct friends you can on, and you can use screen rotate setting, and you have screen rotate problem. So friends, click here screen rotate problem solve. And friends, you have screen timeout problem, your phone screen just off second and minute, so you can increase screen timeout from here. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.